Welcome to my channel, Living Linux. Today I pre-ordered a desktop class ARM mini computer. I hope I pronounce it correctly, but it has a Phytium D2000 ARMv8 CPU. And as you can see, it comes with 512 gigabytes NVMe storage, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and an AMD RX 550 GPU. The price is around 570 euros, including 21% tax. And when you add shipping, then of course it gets closer to 600 euros, depending on where it needs to be shipped. It's a pre-order, and they say they want to have enough orders by the 10th of December. And when they don't have enough orders, you'll get your payment back. But hopefully there will be enough orders, and then they expect to have them by December 17th. So hopefully we can get them before the end of this year. Of course, with COVID, with the whole problems with production in China, it can be unpredictable. And for payment options, they do have more payment options than just Amazon Pay. I live in the Netherlands, and I could use the Dutch payments system Ideal. So perhaps when you live in Europe, you can use some local payment system. Not really sure outside of Europe what kind of local systems there are, but they do have several payment options outside of Amazon Pay. So I know that 600 euros is a lot of money, and probably when you buy an Intel or AMD machine, that you will get way better performance than this, but I want to move away from the x86 architecture. I want to go to ARM, and hopefully in the future also RISC-V. So I hope that this machine really will be a desktop class machine, that I can do some video editing on this. A bit more about the processor. So it has 8 cores running at 2.3 up to 2.6 gigahertz. Built on 14 nanometers process, 25 watts TDP, which is modest, but probably the performance will also be modest. But hopefully in the future, when we get newer generations, ideally I would like to see that the TDP even goes down further and that the performance goes up. And who knows, when China can produce on the 7 or even 5 nanometers. Let's see what will happen then. And they say it has networking, but on the website of Dragonbox, the ones that sell it here in Germany, they say that there's a Qualcomm chip for Ethernet and that it doesn't work well with all Linux distributions, so you'll get an additional USB Ethernet adapter. You can upgrade the graphics card, but they ship it standard with the RX 550. So now I have to wait until, I guess, tomorrow or the day after to see if there are enough pre-orders. I really hope there will be enough orders and that we get the machine by the end of this year. Perhaps this will be my Christmas gift to myself. So that's all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.